Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money. And yes, I use prop money because I just transfer what I am saving to my high yield savings account to earn interest. And the interest just earns me more money to save. So let's get started. So first we are going to start with you save every Friday in 2025. This is created by Mandy's Money _budgets on Etsy. So the Friday we are saving for is March 14th. So let's go ahead and get that colored in. And what I do is I just let me see if I got $1 in here. No. So what I do with this challenge, every month I add up how much I save for the month and make an extra payment towards debt. So January I was $85, February was $70, and then we are now saving for March. So that is $14. Just a nice, simple way to save for extra payment for debt. Oh, so let's get our book out and get to our weekly savings. So this weekly savings here is created by Norella's Budgets, and what it does, you can determine how much each circle is. So you save for each week of the month, but I am using a D8, and this goes towards my son's senior year, and that is $3. And his senior year, he graduates next year of 2026. So $3. So we are just starting early. All right. And let's go to the next one. And all these amazing creators will be down in the description box, so show them some love. So we have Save with Judy, and which you go around each month, and each icon is $5, and this whole thing will save $300. And again, this goes towards my son's senior year, so I'm grabbing the 5. And let's color in this pot of gold. And how are you guys doing? We have like spring weather, as we call it here in Ohio. And it's very nice outside. It's like the high 50s. So everyone in my neighborhood is like out in their yard and stuff, including my husband. All right. So he's out doing yard work, and I was like, well, let me sneak away and film. So $5 going there. All right. But do you guys like going to hardware store like Lowe's or Home Depot? Because I love going there around the springtime and look at all of the flowers and plants, and just wish I can be a gardener, because yeah, I can't garden nothing, or I can't even keep the plants alive. My husband does all that. I am horrible at that. So this is created by Norella's Budgets. This is her March group play. So it says $40 if you save all these numbers here. So we are just rolling our die here to see how much we saving. And we got a whopping $6. So let's do 5 and a 1, because there's no 6 on here. So yeah, we just do 5 and 1. That's $6. Perfect. Yeah, I love watching like, ooh, that's still wet, people's videos that grow like fruits and vegetables, and they have the nice flower bed. And I was like, yeah, I can't. I tried it. it didn't work out. But my husband, on the other hand, he has the green thumb. He can plant anything and then just blossom so pretty. So we have Love is in the Air, and this is created by Chief Managed Budgets. So let's scratch this one off. And oh, if I didn't say, this group play here from Norella's Budgets, this goes towards an extra payment of debt too. So yeah, so this one also goes towards debt. Oh, and that's a 2. What? Okay. I think last week we hit a big one, so $2, I'll take that. All right. And let's get our $2 because I will forget. And this comes with all these cards. So as you see, I had 11, 8, 14, 7, 4. So we just chipping at this card by card each week, and it totals $120. And of course, you know where that's going, debt. So $2 here. And let's go to our next one. And this is created by Stuff and Budget, says $50. This is her 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. Yes, I can agree to that. Uh-oh, let's get that money back in there. There you go. All right. And this goes towards debt also. So 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that is 6. Oh, you know what? I think I changed my mind. This one isn't going towards debt. This one is actually going towards holiday, 5 and 6. Because, yeah, I just realized that I needed this for holidays. And we got so many challenges going towards debt. So that would be great if I can get this towards holidays. So 50. And it so far got 10, 15, 17, 19, $20. Okay. All right. Get that. Did I put the money in there? Hold on. 10. Hold on. What? This should be 20, right? 10, 20, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, yeah, that's $20. Okay. I just can't count. You guys probably already know that. All right. I am a nurse, but I don't need to know how to count. Not money anyway. Oh, don't need my die here. So I think I am going to do, this is created by Budget with Carly. And this is 90 plus. And I'm going to do 2 5s for $10. And this is going towards the extra payment of debt. Yes, it is. Yes, yes, yes. So that's $10. We are just booking along. All right. Let's go to our, say, $2,025 in 2025. So this is another one that we is just chipping away at. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And this goes towards my month ahead. Oh, we got so much money left. Thinking I might put all this towards here. Let's see. That's 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. What? $54? That is a blessing. Because we can hit it hard the beginning of the month, and then the end of the month we can slow down. So hold on, let me count this again. 20, 30, 5, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, $54. 54. Come on, calculator. Help me out. Okay, 54. So, I'm so excited. So, let's do minus 25 first. So, we're going to get the big one over here. So, 25. Let's do here. All right. Perfect. 25, and then we have $29. Let's do 24. Yes. Perfect. I love that. So 24. Perfect. Trying to hurry up because my grocery delivery should be here pretty soon. And I have $5. I haven't scratched this one yet, and I'm kind of scared. We're not going to do that. We don't want a mystery right now. So let's find a 5 or something that equals 5. We have a 5 here. Trying to think, should I do a 5 or do another 5 here? You know what? Let's do another 5 over here. So let's take $5 out. So in our say 2025 and 2025, we putting in 20, 30, 30, 20, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, $49. Okay, I'm happy with that. $49. And at the end of the month, I will count for you guys how much we have saved so far. All right. So let's go back here to Miss Carly and put this $5 in here. And let's color another 5. Because the sooner we finish this, the quicker we could put an extra payment in for debt. And if you missed my debt video where I show you guys how much I did put in for the month of February and where I'm at now, go check that video out. Just click on that. Yep, click right there and watch that video and see how my progress is going. All right. So that was $100. That went so fast. Went so fast, but we are making great progress. All right, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much, Gems, for the love and support. If you have not already, feel free to subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.